Bring elegance, warmth, and cutting-edge convenience to your space with the Touchstone Chesmont Electric Fireplace. Designed to make a statement, the Chesmont features a sleek wall-mount design with a floating mantel and a stunning three-sided flame display. Its instant mantel design adds style to any space. No build-out needed, making it ideal for apartments or anywhere recessed fireplaces aren't an option. Choose from a crisp white or bold black frame to match your style. Installation is a breeze. Whether you're in an apartment or working with a solid wall, the Chesmont is made for versatility. Each unit includes a wall mounting bracket and clear step-by-step instructions, making setup simple and hassle-free. Thanks to the front-facing heat vent, you can safely mount your TV just inches above, with zero clearance required. The Chesmont isn't just good looking, it's smart. With built-in Wi-Fi technology, it connects seamlessly to Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and the Touchstone app, just like our flagship Sideline Elite series. Enjoy a realistic flame display enhanced with crystals and driftwood, offering the same premium visuals as our Sideline Elite. Customize your ambience with 6 flame colors, 10 media bed colors, 5 light intensity levels, and 3 flame speeds. A built-in timer lets you set automatic shutoff for up to 8 hours, while its design provides supplemental warmth, perfect for chilly evenings without overheating your space. Plan your electric connection, and you're all set to enjoy the comfort, control, and elegance of the Touchstone Chesmont Electric Fireplace. Touchstone-owned products, exceeding your expectations.